oh boy. It is Sunday. What time? 7:36 p.m. I got a little bits and pieces of some Amazon stuff. I don't even remember what it is. So let's open it. Hopefully everybody's having a great Memorial Day. This is overcast all day today. I didn't really do anything. Oh, I know what this is. I ordered some baseball caps. I think it was 5 for $19.99. All these Nike baseball caps are like $27, $25. Too damn expensive. So let's see if these are any good. Oh, they have the right thing. Ugh, they look big. Let's see. Let's see, said the Three Blind Mice. Nope, it's a little too big. Oh, God. Let's see. Where? I always want to listen to music when I am taping, but I did it once, and they blocked my video and said I copyrighted because I was listening to music in the background. So stupid, right? You'll play every song, all these stars and whatever, I'll let you play every song that they pick. But if you're listening to something in the background, you can't play it, they copyright you. I don't even get it. It's so stupid, right? I guess because I'm not paying them and I'm videoing them. I don't know if these hats are gonna work. Let's see. It's cute, right? Comes in a gray, a black, and why do they look bigger than the other? And this, but that's not bad for 19 bucks. I mean, I don't know, what do you think? I think it's pretty cool for 19 bucks. My hair's a disaster. Let's put my hair up in a little ponytail. Where's my big clip? Here's my big claw clip. I got so late out. I'm still meal prepping. Everything's still in the oven. I've been meal prepping all day. I did a video. It's a cute what's new in my closet video. It should be out, and I don't think it came out yet. I don't think it uploaded yet. But it's a cute video. It's got lots of stuff because I'm going on a little staycation to Atlantic City. And it's too cute. All right, so that was baseball hats. Let's see what's in the next. Let's see what's in the next Amazon. I have a long driveway. You gotta see these guys trying to get up in the driveway with a huge truck. And they scrape the ends of my damn driveway every time they come up. Let's see what's in this. Let's see, said the blind man. Oh, I know what this is. This is a cute little, it's a dress. I don't know what it's going to look like, but it looks cute. It looks cute. Look at that. It's got a little collar. This looks cute. And it's tight to the body, but I don't think it's short. Is it? No. Comes to right above my knee, and then it has little sleeves like this, little plaid sleeves with a plaid top with a collar. That looks cute, right? We'll try this on tomorrow. We'll see what it looks like. You gotta love Amazon. You just order it and then it's at your house the next day. Or the next couple of hours. Oh, this is my Zara. Let's see. I did some exchanges. I don't know what this is. What's in my packages? Is this an exchange or is this something real? This is an exchange in an extra small. Look how cute. It still looks like it's going to be big. And it's an extra small. I think it just runs big. I have the pants to match. But, no. I don't know. I have to try it on. Alright, we'll try on this waistcoat tomorrow. Damn it. They run so weird. Sometimes big, sometimes small. I think I only got one so far. I keep ordering them, but they're just so sporadic. Oh, this is an Amazon. It's got a couple of things in it. Oh, I bought this cute. What is this? Oh, I think that's a watch. This is cute. This is a little jacket. Alexa, stop! My alarm is going off for my food. So this is a work. Somebody, what'd she call it? She called it an errand jacket. I don't know what to say. A chores jacket. It's so cute though. How cute that is. Look how cute. It's not corduroy, but at least it's a different color. And it zips. And it has, whatchamacallit, a drawstring. What'd she call it? A chores jacket? I don't remember. Victoria. Look how cute that is. So we'll have to try that on tomorrow. So cute, right? What else did we get? Let's open this. I think it's a watch that I bought. I really need a watch. I'm waiting for my husband to buy me. I have a Rolex, but I don't wear it because it's just ridiculously expensive, first of all. And I'm always afraid that it's going to get wrecked because the face is full of diamonds and you can't even tell the damn time. I know I got problems, but I work hard for my stuff. So I bought this BERNY. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. Let's see what it looks like. It still has the plastic on it because I didn't take the plastic off yet. But it's really, really big. I wonder if you can take the links out. How do you do that? Isn't that cute? How do you take, can you take the links out? I don't know. I'm not sure. You should be able to. Oh yeah, you can. It has a screwdriver. Extend the strap and place it on its holder, then screw into the socket into the head. How to shorten the watch strap. But here's the face of it. It's pretty, right? I needed a watch. All my watches, I don't know what happened to them. But it has everything. It has a screwdriver and everything. So I'll have my husband do it. I think it was 60 bucks. But it's pretty. Somebody had it and I forgot who. And I went, they had it on, I forgot who. One of the girls on YouTube. But God, it comes with, how are you supposed to read this? Just look at that. How are you supposed to read that? It's so tiny. Ay, ay, ay. Well, I may not have problems seeing anymore because, like I said, Thursday I'm having LASIK surgery. Again, this watch is, it's called BERNY. B-U-R-N-Y. It's a BERNY gold watch or bracelet with a gold dial. Guess where it's made? China. I bet you couldn't have guessed that. I really liking this jacket. Okay, let's see. The $1 million question. What is it? Oh, I know what this is. I think this is my eye makeup remover. So one of the girls, you should watch her videos. Her name is Belle Marie. She has great videos. She does a lot of hauls, and she gave me this. This is awesome. This is the Nivea Waterproof Eye Makeup Remover. They don't sell this here in the United States, like in the drugstore or Walgreens. I've never ever seen it. And it says it's improved formula. I've never even seen it. But it just works really, really good. It's not that like oily, if you could see. But you do have to shake it. But it has a nice consistency. Let me see it. It's not oily. But it has a nice consistency. And it really just takes off your eye makeup with no problem. This is just so awesome. And it's $9.99. So I do have, after I'm looking at this, I do have a whole basket of monthly empties that I'm going to have to do. I have skincare and I have body care because I can go crazy on body care. And then we have this. Let's see. Oh, this is a waistcoat, but it's a dungaree waistcoat. I got a halter waistcoat the other day from TJ Maxx, and it'll come on in my video of what's new in my closet. So cute. This one's cute too. That's cute, right? It's a little bit of a darker denim, but it's different. We'll have to try this on tomorrow. Look how cute that is. What size did I get? I got an extra small, I think. Or does it just come small? It is a size, for reference, I'm 5'4". Oh, it's a small. I don't think they had an extra small. I'm 5'4", 111 pounds. I'm usually a 0 in pants and an extra small, and mostly Zara clothes, mostly everything. I'm an extra small. Sometimes I'm a medium in like whatchamacallit, a shirt. Not t-shirts like this. This is a cute t-shirt, right? This is from Aerie. Not t-shirts like this because my back is a little broad from working out. Oh, here's my whatchamacallit, Adidas hat. So this is Adidas hat. I like Adidas hats. I wear them to the gym every day. But they're $28. They're so expensive. And I wash them a lot because they sweat. But this is the, what's it called? The original Union strap back. But I like these hats. And they look good. Well, now I got this thing in my head, so I can't show you. Ain't that cute? This is a good color too. This is a good color too. I like it. I like it a lot. So far I got a white one, a black one, and that blue one. And there goes $75. Voila, like that. And when you get 4 for $25 in that other one. I'm a disaster, I tell you. What's this? This is, oh, this is so cute. You can wear like I have like a little Skims tiny shirt that you can wear underneath it, but it's see-through. It's like a mesh shirt, but it's got a high collar, and I like high collars with a pair of black jeans. I thought it would be cute for my little staycation in Atlantic City. And what size did I buy? I bought a small. It's 45% polyamide and 55% elastin. Oh, it is a mesh tank, and it is a small. I'll link everything that I got in the video. I will link everything in the description. This is so cute, though. I don't remember how much it was. It was cheap, though, but I'll link it. I'm going to link everything. The watch, this, the jacket, the waistcoat. the hats. I'll link the Nivea because this is so nice. And that's that. So my alarm just went off for, oh, I have shoes too. Hold on. Look at these shoes. Let's see how these are cute. What company is this? This is STUNAHOME, Home of Comfort and Style. How cute are these? Aren't they adorable? They're so nice. Oh, they're really padded too. Let's see what they feel like. Let's see. They're cute, right? Look at that. Cute, cute, cute. They fit good. They're a little big though around. And oh, this gets, you can tighten this. But aren't they cute? They're a cute color too, right? They're just little beige with black patent leather. I love patent leather, especially black patent leather. I think it's so pretty. And that's what, oh, I had something in my staycation. What's it new in my closet? I had a patent leather bag and another patent leather pair of shoes. But these are cute. I'll link this in the description too. And that's it, my friends. My light went off. Everything is uncharged. And I am going to tend to my meal prep. So I will see you later. If you're new, my name is Tara, and we do all things fashion on this channel. So just subscribe, and you will like everything I do. And if you want anything, or if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and I will link all this stuff. And I'll see you later. Bye.